Fine girl.
You want buy?
Yes, sir. You get water?
I get.
Iko?
Where now?
Now what should they play music for there?
Okay, they do party for there.
Party? For this area?
What?
They don't tell me.
Who you be?
You don't know investor.
Where?
I mean they talk to you now.
Okay. Now you invest, okay.
Oh, they look the way what I did. I did disguise. I disguise a lot.
Hey, yeah.
Because of all these kidnappers.
Okay.
Yes. They're gonna do this kind of thing. They don't even tell me. And it's not they share rice.
With chicken safe.
Where could they go?
They invite you.
They invite investor. As I enter the night, I go see the way people go to shout. People go to hear me. You don't know. See, follow me.
Good day, guys. How you all doing? Put your hands together for yourselves, ladies and gentlemen. I need everybody to be smiling because it's gonna be fun. Are you ready? One more time. Let's hear it. Put your hands together one more time. We do this once every year. It's an annual event, and this year there are lots of prizes to be won for the best dancer. So if you know how to boogie down, you know how to shake it, you know how to dance.
Are you a monk? Who should be a monk? I'm part of them now. Is he among you?
If it's in day now.
Papa, no insult me for public now.
And this year we have sponsors and lots of dancing competition. There is food, there are drinks. Wherever you are seated, hello.
Hi.
Now we're going straight up to the dancing competition. Are you ready to boogie down? Let me hear you say boogie down.
Boogie down.
Let me hear you say boogie down.
Boogie down! This man!
You're ready to dance? Come up stage. Let's get to the dance floor. DJ, let's go.
Sabinus, Sabinus, itu Sabio, Sabinus, 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 itu Sabio, Sabinus. Sabinus, 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 you do more.
Do we have a winner? Yeah. All right, we'll do it like this. No cheating. It's not like waka or stay. If the person is good, it stays. If the dance not to, waka. Are you ready? Yeah. Are you ready? Yeah. I'm gonna start from here. Let's go, ladies first. Waka or stay? Waka! Put your hands together. Put your hands together. I said this well. Waka or stay? Waka! Waka or stay? Waka! Oh, that's a wakalicious waka. Wakalicious waka. You look like a hoodlum. Waka or stay? Waka! All right, all right. Oh, we are down to the last two. How are you? Are you ready? Are you ready? Is this your winner? No! Is this your winner?
Sabinus.
Okay, hope you all enjoyed yourself.
Yes. I hope everybody has eaten.
Yes, sir. Okay, stand up in a single file. Let's go back to the boss. Let's move it. In a single file. Keep moving. Hasten it up. Move it. The DJ, back up. Let's go. That's perfect. Move it.
Where did you go?
They see me go enter bus now. They won't go give us another thing. See here, they give us rice. I don't win award. Follow up. This thing is better empowerment. You don't go do.
Not true, sir.
Okay, move it. Quick. Yes, you guys should sit down. Yes. Securities, please come in. Close the door. That's perfect. Okay. Hope you all enjoyed yourself.
Yes, sir.
You have a total reflection, a total feeling of what freedom feels like. That is why we make the announcements every day that you all should avoid crimes. Always give peace a chance in your neighborhood, in your environment, in the country you find yourself. So in more subsequent times, you enjoy freedom like this. Peace is priceless. There's nothing in violence. Some of you here came to the prison because of murder. Jesus! Some persons, unfortunately, will not see tomorrow because some persons will be hanged today. Some persons came because of assault. But I want you all to know that this is not the end of it. There's life after this, which is the afterlife. And you got to give your life to Christ. So when you go back to your prison, be of good manners. So next year, you might be part of those that will attend the Freedom Party.
Hello, sir. We are not among.
We no follow, I no follow. And I just rice will come chop.
Should they sell water?
See, for now water they say, see my bowl.
I
no
be
follow.
investor.
What is the meaning of this nonsense? Are you guys not ashamed of yourself?
Does she call me?
But now you tell me say make we come chop rice now.
I came here.
I
did not came with her. I was on my own. Came in. She not said she came and followed her to this place. Did I come with you?
I no follow, I no
But you see,
follow.
every year we celebrate the Freedom Party. Some persons will come up and say they're not among. Madam, when we caught you last year, you and your gang stealing, what did you tell us? When we caught the both of you at Lekki stealing cars, what did you tell us? What are they saying?
Good afternoon, sir. How is the family, sir?
Many people you see here, that family is the cause of their problems. And you're asking me how is the family? Never move this vehicle.